Ms. Rios, can you please take the roll?
Yes, Ms. Alonso?
Here.
Ms. Campos?
Campos here.
Mr. Dix?
Here.
Ms. Knox?
Here.
Ms. Martorano?
Here.
Dr. Mayberry Mays?
Here.
Ms. Norris?
Here.
We have quorum.
I just want to make sure, we'll be doing a statement upon conclusion of the board item. The next item is approval of the agenda. I'd like to entertain a motion to approve a revised agenda and remove the closed session.
Martorano, so moved.
Alonso, second.
We have a motion by Ms. Martorano and a second by Ms. Alonso. Ms. Rios, can you please take the vote?
Ms. Alonso?
Yes.
Ms. Campos?
Yes.
Mr. Dix?
Yes.
Ms. Knox?
Yes.
Ms. Martorano?
Yes.
Dr. Mayberry Mays?
Yes.
Ms. Norris?
Yes. The vote is approved 7-0. The board has one action item, C1, action on administrative leave of the superintendent. I'll turn it over to Ms. Martorano.
Madam Chair, I would like to make a motion to place the superintendent, Dr. Ian Roberts, on administrative leave.
We have a motion by Ms. Martorano. May I have a second?
Second. Alonso?
We have a second by Ms. Alonso. Ms. Rios, can you please take?
If I may, Madam Chair, while there is still much that we don't know, what we do know is that Dr. Roberts is currently unavailable to perform his duties as superintendent. Based on Iowa Code Chapter 279 and standard district practice, the motion is to place Dr. Roberts on a paid administrative leave pending further information. The board may revisit this at any time that we have obtained additional concrete information relevant to Dr. Roberts' status.
Thank you. Ms. Rios, can you please take the vote?
Yes. Ms. Alonso?
Yes.
Ms. Campos?
Yes.
Mr. Dix?
Yes.
Ms. Knox?
Yes.
Ms. Martorano?
Yes.
Dr. Mayberry Mays?
Yes.
Ms. Norris?
Yes. The vote is approved 7-0. Okay. Thank you. Without objection, this meeting is adjourned at 5:06 p.m. Okay. I'm Jackie Norris. I am the chair of the board, but I'm speaking on behalf of the full board. And I am going to read a statement, and then board member Maria Alonso is going to read the same statement in Spanish. The accusations ICE has made against Dr. Roberts are very, bear with us. That's okay, everybody was touching him. It's just everybody's moving around, so let's see. We got it. Yes. This is first. Okay. Yeah. And that's your final page. These must be copies. Did you make any notes in here? Yeah. Okay. Take that. No. Because I'm not sure. This is it. Yeah, that's page 2. That's good. You're gonna yeah, I'll just do that. Okay. That's a spare page. That's an extra page, I think. It's a duplicate of this email. Yeah, that's helpful. Okay. Thanks for your patience. There There's no denying this simple fact. Yesterday was a jarring day for many people, not only at Des Moines Public Schools, but throughout this community and country. In 2023, our students, staff, and families warmly welcome Dr. Roberts into our community, and he has served as an enthusiastic voice in support of our students' academic success and the need to support public education. So yesterday came as a shock to all of us. I want to be clear today, we still do not have all of the facts. According to ICE, in May 2024, an immigration judge issued a final removal order for Dr. Roberts. We were not made aware of that fact, and that's very concerning. I want to be clear, no one here was aware of any citizenship or immigration issues that Dr. Roberts may have been facing. The accusations ICE has made against Dr. Roberts are very serious, and we are taking them very seriously. Dr. Roberts has retained the Parrish Cridenere law firm, and they have already provided a statement on their role, and they will be probably offering future statements. As we shared yesterday afternoon, employers, including DMPS, are required to verify employment eligibility for all employees. In this case, Dr. Roberts completed the I-9 employment eligibility verification form and submitted the required documentation. Everything the district has on file indicates that Dr. Roberts affirmed that he was a citizen who is eligible to work in the school district. The Iowa Department of Education issued a license in 2023 to the Des Moines superintendent. The agency says an FBI criminal background check did not raise issues, and Roberts said he was a U.S. citizen on the application. Later on, we will address the specific steps the board took when conducting the superintendent search and hiring Dr. Roberts in 2023. Two things can be true. We must support our interim superintendent and staff as they lead 35,000 students and staff on Monday, because our collective role is to educate and support our students and their families. And we must continue to pursue the facts in this case and understand our school community is still processing this very significant issue. I also want to be clear about one fact that cannot be ignored. Of course, the school district ensured that a background check was conducted before hiring Dr. Roberts. That is done for every person who is hired by the district, and periodic reviews are conducted on a regular basis for all current employees. On that point, I want to share the steps in the process that led to the hiring of Dr. Roberts. In December 2022, Des Moines Public Schools approved a contract with JG Consulting as the district's search firm to bring qualified superintendent candidates for our consideration. Between January and the end of March 2023, the board worked with the search firm on a variety of issues related to the qualifications and characteristics of candidates for the position, as the search firm recruited potential candidates for consideration. Between April 11th and 13th, the school board conducted interviews with the candidates. On May 16th, the school board approved our first contract with Dr. Roberts, who began his role as superintendent on July 1st, 2023. As part of their work for DMPS, JG Consulting's contract included their obligation to disclose to the district all known information of a positive or negative nature regarding candidates for the superintendent position. That included having a comprehensive criminal, credit, and background checks conducted by a third party. In this case, the search firm used a company called Baker Eubanks to conduct the background check, which found nothing related to citizenship or immigration matters related to Dr. Roberts. After his selection, Dr. Roberts then applied for his superintendent license with the Iowa Board of Educational Examiners. The state of Iowa issued a superintendent license to Dr. Roberts on July 11, 2023. This all came after a career of more than 20 years that Dr. Roberts spent as an educator and school leader in Pennsylvania, Missouri, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and New York. In addition, DMPS is cooperating with requests for information from the state of Iowa authorities and will continue to do so. Finally, We all need to cool down the rhetoric. We should promote true discourse and facts, not spread misinformation meant to divide us. Our elected officials need to behave like role models for our children. Enough with the name calling and misinformation that is meant to divide us. We are talking about human beings. Our kids are watching. They are online 24/7 on social media, on phones, and what they see right now is likely very difficult for them to process. While we work to address this personnel issue, we must continue to lift up our district, our students, and staff, and push back against hateful rhetoric against us.
Es innegable el simple hecho. Ayer fue un día impactante para muchas personas, no solo en las escuelas públicas de Des Moines, sino en toda la comunidad y el país. En el 2023, nuestros estudiantes, personal y familias dieron una cálida bienvenida al Dr. Roberts a nuestra comunidad, quien ha sido una voz entusiasta en apoyo del éxito académico de nuestros estudiantes y la necesidad de apoyar la educación pública. Así que ayer fue una sorpresa para todos. Quiero ser clara hoy. Aún no tenemos todos los hechos. Según ICE, en mayo del 2024, un juez de inmigración emitió una orden final de deportación para el Dr. Roberts. No fuimos informados de ese hecho, lo cual es muy preocupante. Quiero ser clara, nadie aquí tenía conocimiento de ningún problema de ciudadanía o inmigración que el Dr. Roberts pudiera estar enfrentando. Las acusaciones que ICE ha hecho contra el Dr. Roberts son muy graves y las estamos tomando muy seriamente. Los abogados de Parrish y Crichton están representando al Dr. Roberts y han compartido información. Como compartimos ayer por la tarde, los empleadores, incluyendo DMPS, deben verificar la elegibilidad laboral de todos sus empleados. En este caso, el Dr. Roberts completó el formulario I-9 de verificación de elegibilidad laboral y presentó la documentación requerida. Todo lo que el distrito tiene en sus archivos indica que era ciudadano y elegible para trabajar para el distrito escolar. El Departamento de Educación de Iowa emitió una licencia en el 2023 al superintendente de Des Moines. La agencia indica del FBI la revisión de antecedentes criminales que no había encontrado ningún problema. Y el señor Roberts indicó en su solicitud que era también ciudadano americano. Más adelante abordaremos las medidas que tomó la Junta al realizar la búsqueda del superintendente y la contratación del Dr. Roberts en el 2023. Dos cosas pueden ser ciertas. Debemos apoyar a nuestro superintendente interino y a nuestro personal mientras a 35,000 estudiantes, porque nuestra función colectiva es educar y apoyar a nuestros estudiantes y familias, mientras debemos investigar los hechos en este caso. Y entender también que nuestra comunidad está procesando este cambio. También quiero aclarar un hecho que no se puede ignorar. El distrito escolar se aseguró de que se realizara una verificación de antecedentes antes de contratar al Dr. Roberts. Esto se realiza para cada persona contratada por el distrito y se realizan revisiones periódicas de todos los empleados actuales. En ese sentido, quisiera compartir los pasos del proceso que condujo a la contratación del Dr. Roberts. En diciembre del 2022, DMPS aprobó un contrato con JG Consulting, la firma de búsqueda del distrito, para representar candidatos calificados a superintendente para nuestra consideración. Entre enero y finales de marzo del 2023, la Junta Escolar colaboró con la firma de búsqueda en diversos asuntos relacionados con las calificaciones, cualificaciones y características de los candidatos para el puesto, mientras la firma reclutaba candidatos potenciales para su consideración. Entre el 11 y el 13 de abril, la Junta Escolar entrevistó a los candidatos. El 16 de mayo, la Junta Escolar aprobó nuestro primer contrato con el Dr. Roberts, quien asumió el cargo de superintendente el 1 de julio del 2023. Como parte de su trabajo para DMPS, el contrato de JG Consulting incluía la obligación de divulgar al distrito toda la información conocida, positiva o negativa, sobre los candidatos al puesto de superintendente. Esto incluía la realización de verificaciones exhaustivas de antecedentes penales, crediticios y de crédito por parte de un tercero. En este caso, la firma de búsqueda contrató a la empresa Baker Eubanks para realizar la verificación de antecedentes, la cual no encontró nada relacionado con asuntos de ciudadanía o inmigración relacionados con el Dr. Roberts. Tras su selección, el Dr. Roberts solicitó su licencia de superintendente ante la Junta Examinadora de Educadores en Iowa. El estado de Iowa le otorgó la licencia de superintendente el 11 de julio del 2023. Todo esto se produjo después de una carrera de más de 20 años en la que el Dr. Roberts se desempeñó como educador y líder escolar en Pensilvania, Missouri, Maryland, Washington, D.C. y Nueva York. Además, el Distrito Escolar de Des Moines está cooperando con las solicitudes de información de las autoridades estatales de Iowa y continuará haciéndolo. Finalmente, todos debemos moderar la retórica. Debemos promover un discurso veraz y basado en hechos, no difundir desinformación que busca dividirnos. Nuestros funcionarios electos deben comportarse como modelos a seguir para nuestros hijos. Basta de insultos y desinformación que buscan dividirnos. Estamos hablando de seres humanos. Nuestros hijos nos observan. Están conectados las 24 horas del día, los 7 días de la semana, en las redes sociales, en sus celulares, y lo que ven ahora mismo probablemente les resulte muy difícil de procesar. Mientras trabajamos para abordar este problema de personal, debemos seguir apoyando a nuestro distrito, a nuestros estudiantes, al personal y combatir la retórica de odio contra nosotros.
Thank you for coming. We're not answering questions tonight, but Phil Rader in the back is available if you have additional needs.